Hey, what's going on, everybody?
I'm very tired.
Yeah, very tired. Very tired today. But they've done it again. Oreo cookies are back.
Strange flavors, one I am horrified of.
New flavors. Kind of not sure how we should do this. There's two flavors for sure. There's one I think is kind of like an old flavor floating around. So we're gonna
Two I'm happy about. The other one is just horrifying me.
Yeah.
Because it's something I don't like.
So the one that's kind of horrifying is
Pistachio.
Pistachios. So.
And I've never had them before. I think I've had them once and I hated the taste of them, so.
Oh, so this could be interesting. We also have, which I'm really excited to do, is the chocolate peanut butter pie one.
Or I guess peanut butter chocolate. I don't know why they have to add pie, but alright. And fireworks.
Could be gooey. And there's also the Firework Oreo, which has Oreos with Pop Rocks.
Yeah. It's pretty much like the cola ones we had, but, well, I'm guessing they like put nothing up there.
And here's something that trumps them all. Pizzelles from Termini's. Woo! The best pizzelles there are. Go to Termini's, South Philly. Tell them you're totally driven. So, should we do one taste test at a time? Should we do one today, one tomorrow, one the next day? Should we do... I think we should just probably do one. So...
I feel like it's going to be this to be the one person going, no, do all three, and everyone's like, just do one at a time, guys.
Which should we do? So, should we do Firework?
Yeah, Firework, chocolate peanut butter pie, and horrifying pistachio.
So, come on, type away. Tell us, what should we do?
Nightmare Fuel pistachio.
Let us know. Come on. Give us some options here.
I can already tell them mostly going to steal pistachios like shit with the pina coladas. Don't mind that.
Our dog is playing with his dog bowl. He wants water. I might just make the decision ourselves because there's not a lot of people watching right now because it's a Saturday afternoon. It's probably the worst time to do these.
I'm just hungry and tired.
Hungry and tired. You know what? The Firework one is like the least one because I think it's actually been around and we just haven't done it.
I'm gonna. The pistachio ones have been around because I think I've seen them before.
No, pistachio just came out the other day.
Oh.
So I think we should do the worst one first. That we are expecting to be the worst. So what do you say?
Why must you do this?
Go pistachio? What should we do?
Why?
I said go pistachio. Here we go. I'm gonna open it up.
To be honest, literally, you could like take these.
There's no smell at all.
Yeah, I mean, I'm smelling the cookie, but like even that is very faint.
Yeah.
I feel like you literally like there's like mint chocolate chip ones where it's like mint on the inside and green. I feel like you could swap those out for these and just like change the wrapper and people would believe it until they eat it.
Like if you were like, you know, wishful thinking it was mint chocolate chip.
Maybe these are the mint ones and just put pistachio on it to hopefully get more sales.
That's what we're hoping here. So, give her one.
Like the limit 4 or something like that?
Yeah, these are, with the thins, you know, you get 4 cookies per serving. It's 140 calories. 20, what is it? 2 or... I ripped the thing and I can't read it right. But 95 milligrams of sodium, 12 grams of sugar. Oh, my dog. He's annoying. Can you hear that? He's so annoying. So, have you opened it? Sticker. All right.
Kind of, like
somewhat.
The falling apart sticker. Like, no matter how hard you pick it off, it's still there.
The cream kind of pulls off. Bullwinkle wants cookie. Here we go. So,
please take them. Look at that. He brought out his bowl. They're actually somehow not bad. I'm actually scared because the cream's not that bad.
You really don't taste it.
It doesn't taste like pistachio. It just tastes like...
It actually kind of like numbs the tongue a little. Oscar, stop it. It's... Yeah, gotta do another one. Just to,
Make sure your tongue isn't playing your tongue. Okay, there you go.
Like, I'm tasting cookie.
I'm more tasting just like sweetness. I'm not tasting pistachio because aren't like pistachios like salty?
Yeah, there's no saltiness to it at all.
Which I'm pretty sure that would have been a horrible taste with a cookie.
I was totally expecting it to taste like saltiness. Yeah. Like it's not a bad cookie, but there's no I taste no pistachio. Like for a second, like I get like a little hint of a taste, and it goes away really quickly.
To be honest, I'm happy that it doesn't taste like pistachio, but to be honest, it doesn't. At the same time, that's kind of what it should taste like. Like if it says like it's meant to taste like something, then it should at least like kind of taste like it. Like say with the soda ones again, like they at least kind of taste like cherry cola.
Yeah, this has.
And like the pancake ones, those taste like pretty much. I mean, not fully pancake, but more just taste like you're drinking syrup and a cookie with a pancake.
Yeah, so
these more just taste like normal old cream.
Yeah.
So it's like
nothing
a dud.
there. Yeah, Bullwinkle sums it up. It's a dud.
It very much is.
It's really a dud. So.
They lied.
If you were,
it is a delicious lie, though. For once, a lie is nice to you.
Try just the filling without the cookie. Okay.
I was the first one I had. It was like super easy to pull off the cream, but the second one, like it was stuck on there.
There you go. So, take the cookie part away. There's your cream.
Yeah, because like.
I'm gonna peel the cream off.
Yeah, I can't even peel mine off. I have to like. Scrape it with my finger.
Now I taste the pistachio. But it's quick. It's a quick hit. Yeah, if you want the pistachio taste, you gotta take the cookie part off of it. It's a real quick.
Or you could just take normal old Oreos and just shove the pistachio in there if you like that, I guess. I don't know.
That'd probably be better.
I mean, it sounds gross, but it'd probably be better for people who like pistachio.
Yeah. So, there you go. You know what? I'm kind of in a good mood. So, let's, Oh, Little John, here you are. You just missed the pistachio taste test. I'm going to save these for a special one. We'll do another taste test tomorrow. Let's do the firework one.
Honestly, I feel like I would do, like... honestly, I kind of expecting someone to say they should do hot sauce flavor.
Now... Ooh, look, it's like a Pac-Man. It's like a lot of cream there.
Mindy, I guess your name is. He says he tasted a small bit of pistachio, but not really.
There you go.
If there even is real muscles in the ingredients, I don't think.
Probably not.
I was about to say
there's
probably like food flavor.
There's probably not.
Let me try pistachio cookies. Sugar, flour, canola oil, cocoa, baking soda, chocolate. Yeah, I'm not seeing nut any. Yeah,
this is something we started doing as a joke, and so many people like it.
It doesn't. I was about to say, I'm looking at the like contain section, so usually it'll say like contains nuts for like people who have nut allergies. It doesn't say that. It says
chemistry cookies. What's that?
It says contains wheat and soy. You may read. Slash taste. It does not taste like pistachio.
So now we're going to try the firework cookies.
There's
a lot of cream in there. I mean, it's like a double stuff almost, which I'm really happy to see. That's the way that you do all of them, so you can actually taste and experience the cream.
I bet if you want to make your own double stuff, you just take two, like, eat one cookie on each, and then just stick them together.
So here we go. Time for some Pop Rocks.
This tastes like a regular cookie.
Thank you, Rita.
Oh, no, it's mint tea. Yeah. Actually, no, it tastes like green tea. Peppermint green tea.
For a minute, then it says chai tea.
Here we go. Back of my throat is popping.
Good. But
Even
that's
that.
the thing I don't get with Pop Rocks. Like with these, like they only start happening like in the back of your throat, so it's just like my uvula is
real.
being attacked. Where with normal Pop Rocks, it's like literally you can dump the entire container in your mouth and like the roof of your mouth, like your cheeks, everything. And you just feel like the popping.
It's like real quick. Again, Oreo, work with me here. Nabisco, hello. Are you watching?
Apparently not.
Like, it's
No matter how hard we tag you guys, that you don't.
the Pop Rocks in the Cherry Coke ones were a lot more potent, and I mean this was like a real quick pop.
Yes, this is just sad.
Yeah. So, I mean,
I demand more popping.
yeah, I'm like, why am I going to continue with that? You know what? Should we go for the trifecta? Should we just do all three at one shot?
Did you already do the...
Pistachio?
No.
The Pop Rocks?
No. The real cookies that are on the...
He showed them off. He pretty much rubbed into people who don't have them and then just said, go.
So come on, tell me. Should we do this one?
Please. Yes, thank you, Frank. For a minute, I thought your last name was Cannoli.
That's Frank. That's Frank who we had lunch with.
I know.
That's-
Cannoli.
Frank Cannoli.
Frank Namoli, who loves cannolis.
If you eat another one now, it'll ruin your dinner.
Fight the power!
All right, here we go. Dun dun. Ooh. It's like opening it up and hearing the angels sing. So you got white cookies, and they're like.
The thing is, like, you can actually kind of, if you look closely, it looks like you can see, like, a separation between the creams, which scares me. Look what you did.
So there, you can see the separation of the creams, like she said, the chocolate, the peanut butter,
Right.
the all-in-one.
Oh, I thought there was a gap. Okay, I saw the darker part of the chocolate. I thought that
So
was
it's
a
half-
gap between the cream.
Half and half. Show the cream off.
Sticker.
Half and half peels right off.
It's half and half cream.
So
Coffee joke, haha. I don't drink. I like drink coffee never.
so here we go. This is the one everybody's waiting for. This is the one I'm waiting for. This is graham cookie, peanut butter and chocolate flavored cream. Cookie number 3, flavor number 3 for the win. Here we go.
The thing actually does taste like graham cracker.
Smells like a Reese's.
Good.
Tastes like Reese's instantly.
Can people start making milkshakes with these flavors?
Yeah. That's good. That's that is literally a Reese's Oreo cookie.
With pie. Or green
Yeah,
pepper.
it's total BS about the whole pie thing. It's not about pie. It's literally a Reese's peanut butter cup in an Oreo cookie, graham
We
cookie.
do have a blender. We have Reese's
So, I'm
Klondike
gonna-
bars. We have a little bit of milk, and we can just throw these in.
Yeah, exactly. How could you mess that cookie up? So
Magic.
if they did mess
Logic.
this up, then they would like be epic failure.
I'm about to say, you know, the workers
Fraud.
at the factory must have been lazy this day if they can't even figure out how to make it taste like pie. I mean, wouldn't you just need to make, like, take pie crust mix and just mix it in?
What's up, Linda?
Whoops.
So there you go.
Wow, that's a bowl.
What's in your mouth, Paul?
It isn't. Does it sound like it's full?
Your father's is.
Yeah. Nah.
So there you go. The trifecta of Oreo cookies.
On one Pascal, how many glasses of milk? Does that count?
Does this count for a glass of milk?
Does booze count?
Let me watch them my cookies.
Does booze and Coca-Cola count as milk?
Okay. Now I can talk so my mouth's not full. It's peanut butter and dries your mouth up really quick.
It's Reese's Pieces and graham crackers shoved in the blender.
So there you go. Here's your trifecta of cookies. Good one.
It does. I mean, I'm not saying they're bad, but it's like literally, can't you just like use pie crust mix and just throw it in with like the stuff to make the cookie and go, okay, here we go, take it, go buy our stuff. These
are good. I mean, if they screwed that up, it would be pretty bad. Fireworks Oreos. They need to add more fireworks because it was like a couple sparks, no fireworks.
Add salt or something to these.
Pistachio.
They didn't taste like pistachio. They just tasted like cream.
No real pistachio flavor.
Rita says they taste like green tea, so...
yeah, no green tea. The only way to actually taste any hint of pistachio
is just eat the cream, and even then it's just like, look.
Take the cookie apart, take the cookie off, take the cream out, and eat the cream.
Apparently, you leave the cookies on the counter, on the table.
Even as though they're thin, it destroys the taste of whatever they're trying to call pistachio.
Also, Nabisco, idea, chai tea cookies. She would love them. She's not on camera, but she might like them.
But to trump all cookies again, like I said at the beginning of the show, yes, you did miss so watch the replay. Termini's, Pizzelles, trumps all. So there you go.
Rub it in, people.
No beer ear Oreos. Cheers.
I thought chocolate chip was the best.
Well, they are too. We're going to start doing chocolate chip ones too. So, all right, everybody, have a good one. Hey, if you're in the Delco area, Tom and Jerry's, go see our friends tonight, Rat Rod. They love Oreo cookies.
Milky.
And I'm pretty sure it's no cover, Tom and Jerry's tonight, McDade Boulevard. Go see Rat Rod. And who else is there? Arena Gods. And who else? White Trash Stars. So there you go.
That's it.
Beer Oreos. Oreos winning. All right, everybody. Have a good one.
Chai tea. Until next time. See ya. And Nabisco, you better watch this. And here comes Jazz from Killset. Go see Killset out at the Viper Room in 2 weeks for all you LA peeps with a couple of our buddies from Tantric from Philly. So there you go. See ya.